Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Poured, the Future of Work app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Poured is a flexible staffing app designed to connect businesses with reliable workers for retail, hospitality, events, and other shift-based roles. Originally built to simplify on-demand hiring, Poured has grown into a complete workforce platform that helps companies fill open shifts quickly while giving workers the freedom to choose when and where they want to work. It's available on both iOS and Android and is used by restaurants, retail stores, event venues, and brands needing short-term staffing support. The app's main feature is its shift matching system. Businesses post available shifts, and workers can instantly apply based on their skills and availability. Approved workers can accept shifts, track their schedule, communicate with managers, and get paid for completed work. On the employer side, Poured helps manage staffing gaps, verify worker profiles, and streamline last-minute hiring without long recruitment cycles. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many workers appreciate the app's flexibility, quick access to short-term jobs, and clear shift details. Businesses value its fast matching speed, reduced hiring effort, and ability to find trained staff during peak hours or sudden absences. The rating system for both workers and employers also helps maintain reliability on both sides. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability can vary depending on location, and competitive markets may lead to shifts being claimed quickly. Pay rates differ across businesses, and some users report occasional scheduling conflicts or limited shifts during slow seasons. For companies, finding consistently high-quality workers for specialized roles may require repeated vetting. In summary, the Poured app may be worth using if you want flexible, shift-based work opportunities or need reliable short-term staffing for your business. However, if you prefer predictable long-term employment or require highly specialized workers, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.